Welcome to Auto Info Master. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2026 Hymer Motorhome, a modern marvel of engineering and luxury that's redefining the future of road travel. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time RV enthusiast, the 2026 Hymer offers a compelling mix of smart design, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort. Let's take a full tour and find out what makes the 2026 Hymer a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Hymer has undergone a fresh redesign that exudes elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. With smoother lines, integrated LED lighting systems, and a recontoured front grille, the vehicle looks more like a futuristic crossover than a traditional motorhome. The LED headlamps and tail lamps are sharper, and Hymer has cleverly embedded dynamic turn signals into the side mirrors for added visibility. The body is made with Hymer's patented PUAL 2.0 technology, which uses high-density foam insulation sandwiched between aluminum and wood layers, offering superior weather protection and thermal efficiency. The electric awning, solar-ready roof, and large panoramic windows give it both function and aesthetic edge, allowing more light inside while maintaining privacy through smart glass tinting. As we move to the side profile, the 2026 Hymer retains its signature flush-mounted doors and windows, contributing to its sleek and modern appeal. Optional side skirts and stylish alloy wheels enhance the overall sporty yet luxurious vibe. The rear has been slightly extended to offer more storage without compromising maneuverability, and the new rear camera system offers 360-degree views for safer reversing and parking. There's even an exterior entertainment port and smart locking storage compartments that open with the Hymer mobile app. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a vehicle interior. The design combines soft ambient lighting with high-quality materials like vegan leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood accents. The front cabin seats rotate 180 degrees, transforming into part of the living area. The lounge is equipped with a modular sofa that can easily be rearranged into a dinette or sleeping space. Hymer's smart interior layout uses hidden storage under seats, behind panels, and even within the floor to maximize every inch of space. The 2026 Hymer's kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels. It includes a 3-burner induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven combo, and a 150-liter smart fridge with Bluetooth temperature control. The countertops are made from antibacterial Corian-like materials, and the deep stainless steel sink comes with a foldable faucet and glass cover to increase prep space. Overhead cabinets offer soft close functionality and are lit with motion sensor lighting for nighttime convenience. The bathroom in this model is completely redesigned with a sliding partition system that creates a full wet bath experience. It features a ceramic toilet, rainfall showerhead, skylight, and antimicrobial wall panels. There's even an integrated laundry unit in the larger variants, offering in-motion wash capabilities. Now let's talk about the sleeping arrangements. The main bed in the rear can be configured as either a queen or 2 twin beds, depending on the layout. It features an orthopedic memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and USB-C charging ports on both sides. Some layouts include a retractable ceiling bed for additional sleeping space, making the 2026 Hymer ideal for families or travel companions. In terms of performance, the 2026 Hymer is built on the latest Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, offering a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine with mild hybrid assistance. This combo delivers improved fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and enough torque to handle steep mountain climbs. The engine produces around 190 horsepower and is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is optional and comes with enhanced off-road capabilities. There's also a full electric version available in select markets, offering up to 300 kilometers of range on a single charge with DC fast charging support. Driving comfort has also been upgraded. Hymer includes an advanced adaptive suspension system, lane keeping assist, active cruise control, and real-time tire pressure monitoring. The dashboard features a 12.3-inch digital cockpit and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and remote diagnostics. The driver's seat is heated and ventilated with lumbar support and memory function, ensuring fatigue-free long hauls. Another standout feature is Hymer's new Smart Control ecosystem. This system connects lighting, climate, water tank levels, and even appliance management to your smartphone. You can set the mood, monitor battery usage, or start heating your water tank from anywhere in the world. There's also voice control support via Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to manage everything hands-free. Safety features are top-notch, with adaptive braking, hill descent control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system with bird's-eye view. The 2026 Hymer also includes a remote diagnostic system that alerts you and your service center in case of mechanical issues, allowing preventative maintenance before things become serious. Now let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 Hymer starts around $130,000, while the fully loaded version with AWD, electric upgrade, and luxury package can go up to $180,000 or more. While this may seem high, it's important to remember that you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying a home on wheels, complete with all modern comforts and top-tier engineering. Hymer also offers a robust after-sales service and warranty program, with 10-year water ingress coverage and a 5-year limited warranty on structure and drivetrain. In conclusion, the 2026 Hymer Motorhome is a serious contender for anyone looking to invest in a mobile lifestyle with premium features. With its stunning design, versatile interior, reliable performance, and smart technology, it delivers an experience that feels futuristic yet grounded in real-world usability. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, weekend getaways, or even full-time van life, the 2026 Hymer is ready to be your luxurious, intelligent, and dependable travel companion. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the latest motorhomes and vehicles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.